Hello everybody, welcome back. So just a little update video. It's been about a week and a half since we started our new fertilizer, and wow, look at those results. Grass is nice and thick, beautifully green. Look at that, it just looks amazing. And this is just a week and a half later. So it grew like crazy. It's nice and thick, and you can see the difference from where I treated it to where the treatment stops. This is leading into my back where I didn't put anything down, and that's my neighbor. And then over here you have me. So wow, good stuff, good stuff. This lawn looks like she needs some stripes, doesn't she? I think she needs some stripes. Let's give her some stripes. Oh yeah, there we go. Stripes are striping. Look at that thing of beauty. Please like and subscribe, and take care.